Recent research highlights the major brain-damaging habits people have today. As the primary control center, the brain manages all bodily functions, performs tasks, carries responsibilities, and stores information. It sends outputs to muscles after receiving sensory inputs. Due to its delicate structure, the brain is vulnerable to damage from bad habits, leading to various health complications. 1. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is crucial for replenishing the body after a night of fasting. Regularly skipping it deprives the brain of essential nutrients, leading to long-term degeneration and diminished cognitive function. Ensure a healthy breakfast to support brain health. 2. Smoking. It is one of the leading factors that more than half the population all over the globe is suffering from. Everybody knows its side effects. Still, they burn many or more than 2 cigarettes in a day. This most detrimental habit disturbs your mental as well as physical wellness. Thus, it is the first step that you should take to maintain or enhance your brain health. This primary and decisive step will help you with healthy brain functioning even into old age. If you smoke regularly, then you are more likely to be trapped by multiple brain shrinkage. Besides these side effects, it encourages diseases associated with dementia, such as Alzheimer's disease. 3. Not having refreshing thoughts. Thinking keeps your brain healthy by expanding its power and promoting its functions. Positive thinking fosters new pathways in the mind. Knowing about brain-damaging habits, you can focus on developing your brain further, leading to remarkable outcomes. 4. Not talking too much. Talking helps your brain to grow and develop appropriately. So, it would help if you usually went for intellectual conversations so that your brain can boost its functionality, stretch, and strengthen it to a great extent. A recent study shows that the more you will talk to your children, the more intelligent they will be. Also, you can help them to think more by asking different kinds of questions so that your child can have good mental health and sharp memory. 5. Covering head during sleep. This habit may seem odd, but it harms brain power. Since your brain remains active during sleep, quality rest is essential. Poor sleep can restrict oxygen intake, causing air deprivation or lightheadedness, and increase carbon dioxide inhalation. These factors negatively impact the brain, leading to poor health.